Are you trying to figure out an expert method to download emails from Lotus Notes? Download NSF Migrator Wizard software to easily accomplish successful Lotus Notes email download. It is an ultimate solution to easily download multiple emails from Lotus Notes at once with accuracy. Go to Add File option for choose the Lotus Notes file. After that, go to the saved location and choose the Lotus Notes file. Then, click on the Open button. Now, mark the required file and folder for backup. Now, choose the required Lotus Notes file in the software interface. Click on it to get a complete preview in the software window. After that, go to the Convert option. Select All Folder Types option. Then, browse the Complete Saving List options. The software provides more than 25 saving options to download Lotus Notes emails, EML, MBOX, PDF, etc. Here, we select a PDF file format to download Lotus Notes emails. Next, go to the folder-like icon and browse a location on your system to save the output file. Users can also check the file naming options to organize the Lotus Notes emails professionally, such as date, month, years, and more. Browse the options and choose the required one. Finally, click on the Next button and start the Lotus Notes emails download process. The software comes with the fastest conversion speed, and the user can analyze the complete conversion report in the software interface. When the process gets completed, the software provides a complete conversion message. Click on the OK button. The free trial edition of the software has the limitation of converting first 25 NSF files into PDF file format. Now, the software opens the destination location. Get your download Lotus Notes files into PDF file format. Thanks for watching.